Peace, Master None. I was not going to take you along for this ride because this is dangerous, but I'm going to give you a look at this. Cleaning out these gutters, hopefully for the last time. Using a product called Gutterguard. Premium hinge gutter guards. I got that from Home Depot a while back. Finally gonna put it in. As you can see, there's dirt, grime, and everything inside of here. So I'll clean that out first, and I'm gonna put in these gutter guards. So stand by. Right, I'll show you what I'm gonna do once it's cleaned out. Fold this back. Can't really do this on tape. These little clips here, they're made, I'll give you a good close up. These clips are made to snap. See that little clip? They're made to go right around here. And then snap right in. Once I get this line up, basically push it in right here. You don't have to let go of this to do it. Basically going to push in. Okay, so this one is in. Got to do this one down on this side. It's on the ledge, so I got to be careful with that one. On the next one, you're going to overlap it over here. So it overlaps. Put in your clips. Fold it over. There you go. So I'm just going to continue that all the way down the line. And then I'll check back with you. Okay guys, as you can see, you got a pretty good stream all the way down the line. Some corner to deal with. Got this downspout. Okay, go back. Just snug it against the shingle. You guys down here. From here, what we did is just fit it up against the pipe and make the cut accordingly with the tin snips. With these, and then push that in. Down here, cut it about right here. So I'll get the speed square, square that, cut it, move this over with the needle nose pliers. I'll open it, and you see it. These are going to be the needle nose pliers. Okay. All right, so I won't be able to show you that, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we'll get caught up. And we'll get that corner piece on down there. Okay. All right, so real quick. We went ahead and put this in place. Made some marks where the gutter pipe was. We cut it. Then after that, we set it in place like so. And then we marked this end where we wanted this to finish. And then we made a cut there. So nothing to do now but to move these clips here. Maybe put one right here. The other one over here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video if you learned anything. And please, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you on the next one.